it's a really interesting intersection where you probably want determinism in detection and maybe less about atomic alerts and more just about labeling. Like this
Yeah,
is a authentication event, or this is an event where someone downloaded data that might be sensitive, but we don't want
yeah,
to send an alert. So anyway, there's like that side of it, and then the other side is repetitive action, and AI can actually help create those, right? Because AI
yeah,
is really good at writing things,
yeah.
natural language, source code, whatever. So, you mentioned detection and threat modeling. Is that something that you've had success with as well with LLMs?
Right now, our implementation of LLM or agent force for detection is mainly around the description and tagging of the MITRE ATT&CK techniques, like TTPs, and the description of the logic. So instead of my threat detection engineers, in addition to building the logic and doing the research and accuracy and everything else, we'll also need to write the documentation. And if this happens, this what you do and all that stuff. That's where they're implementing LLM, but there's definitely a broader range of use cases that we can leverage. Like future wise, I would say LLM could potentially look on the set of rules and logics that we have and look into logs. And then you can talk with it like an assistant and tell him, okay, I want to create a new detection logic for session hijacking for blah. Those like find all the detections that are like session hijacking logic and help me, build a new logic based on the logs located in this table. Go have a look, those are the fields, blah, blah. So the way I see agent is like assistant for analysts and engineers. And in some cases, they're just going to take over some of the repetitive work that can be done completely autonomously. So that's where I'm seeing this going to basically double our workforce in a sense that it's going to double our capacity, from the people that we have because the company has got to keep growing, but you can't grow people endlessly. And again, that's why agent force is such a big deal.